drop your egg maybe into the yellow, the first dye, and it cracks on the bottom, you're gonna have to throw this away, because if you try to take it out and put it into different vats of dye, egg might creep out through the cracks and contaminate your other dyes. Sucks, too bad. If it's maybe towards the end stage, maybe you've been working on it for an hour, 2 hours or more, and black is usually your final color, whatever your final color it is, if you crack that egg while you're still in the dye, assess the crack. Maybe you can dry it, maybe you can melt the egg off, melt the wax off, maybe you can still dry it and blow it out, but chances are going to be pretty dicey, because once the integrity of the shell is compromised, any further action, it'll probably just get worse. This egg, I was in the final stages. I'd already blown out the wax. I went to take my push pin. It's around here somewhere. Anyways, I poked my push pin in, and what happened is it just cracked. So, lovely egg. We got all the way to the end, got all the wax off and all the way to blowout, but this is what it looks like. At this stage, what are you to do? You could try to pick up the pieces and glue it back together. Really, I don't think it's gonna work, and it seems kind of pointless, and it's a lot of work for something that isn't even gonna look that pretty once it's done. You could try to just stand it up like so and display it that way. It's up to you. But with that, I mean, I think that one is just a casualty and is gonna go in the trash.